US dollar. So we have some maintained buying pressure, despite obviously the easing of tensions in between US and Iran. We've obviously had escalation still in the region involving Saudi Arabia with Iran-backed groups that have been attacking Saudi Arabia. Oil prices obviously have been coming down and still remain under pressure. They're a very key area at the moment. This sort of gap area here, can you see this gap area here around sort of $82, $81, that range? Obviously, if that gives way, the price is going to really pull back. Obviously, the dollar's future direction is going to be very much dictated by what tone Warsh comes out with. There's obviously, as usual, there's pressure, indirect pressure from Trump. He's says the Fed should lower interest rates. He backs fantastic Warsh while calling for lower rates and citing bad intentions of other Fed members. It just seems like, Trump's playing a tactical card here where he's forced, a pausing of these strikes. He's now indirectly saying to the Fed about lowering rates. It just, he's playing something very tactical heading into the midterms where he really drives things, de-escalation, deals, Strait of Hormuz opens, oil starts dumping because obviously there's a lot of supply going out. And then maybe the market get those cuts. I mean, it's crazy. Anyway, we're going to be prepared for all scenarios, regardless of how Warsh comes out. It doesn't matter because it's just, I don't have a crystal ball. If I had a crystal ball, we'd be making serious bricks, serious billions, if we had the crystal ball. But anyway, we're going to have to react and digest Warsh. But if we face the facts right now, obviously we're still in this via the daily. We could still go and print the higher high, be drawing liquidity at 102. Structure on the 4 hour remains higher, 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 low, all that good stuff. We're in motion now for this higher high in the current 4 hours. So could see a little bit more of a pullback with the dollar pairs before obviously bouncing and seeing the DXY coming under. It's like in this sort of territory here, we could start pulling back, and it just depends on how far the pullback is, how much we'll get sort of positioning heading into the FOMC decision. But all this will be covered. Guys, look, if you want to access me, all of my knowledge, there are various links below in which you can access that. There are some free routes. My mentorship waiting list is going to be closing off by the end of this week. So if you are even a little bit interested potentially in that, well, not a little bit, not a little bit, you have to be full blown interested, okay? Because I'm only taking serious people. You can apply via a link below as well. Or if you have any questions, just shoot me up a DM on Instagram. Other than that, stay lit, stay blessed, and I'll catch you on next update, baby.